Hi, I'm Michael with Weld Now. Today we're continuing with our barbecue pit build series, and we'll be working on flipping the tank upright so that the feet are actually pointing down. We'll be doing it with a pulley in the tree to kind of raise the tank up and then spin it and lower it back down. Let's get started. Now that the pit is upright, the legs in the front were welded approximately 2 inches down from the outermost portion of the tank. This was to give the door room and the frame of the door room as well to keep them from hitting the wells or the legs. The legs in the back are at the outermost point of the tank. So what we'll be doing here is measuring 2 inches off the bottom of these front 2 legs and cutting them so that the pit can stand level. Afterwards, we'll be drawing the door, welding on the frame for it, and hopefully we have time to get to the hinges that we'll be adding across the top after cutting the door and the welding. With the tank upright, what I did was measure the door in a few different ways, such as door height from the floor, distance from the legs, distance from the top of the tank. I also measured corner to corner, and it seems like all the measurements are lining up. What I've also done now is set up the plasma cutter so that I can look at taking off this bottom ring.
A few moments later.
With the door measured, drawn, cut, welded, and framed, I'm able to move on to the hinges. I decided to go with a 3.5-inch hinge, and I haven't decided if it's going to be 2 or 3 hinges yet, but we'll figure that out shortly. Here we go. Well, with the door secured, hinges on, we're still left with handles, an axle and tires, a shelf to build. So those will all be upcoming episodes in the Build series. And if you have any suggestions, kindly leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.